Welcome to Jennings. Today we're going to be looking at how to use voice commands with Sync 3 navigation. This is a great addition to Sync 3 as it allows you to control most of the settings in your car with just voice commands.
Please say a command.
Find the nearest petrol station.
Please say a line number.
1.
When ready, use the voice button and then say set as destination.
Set as destination.
Setting as destination.
It really is that simple. You can also use it to find points of interest, like the next demonstration will show.
Please say a command.
Find a point of interest.
Where would you like to search? Please say nearby or in a town.
In a town.
In United Kingdom, please say the town name.
Sunderland.
In Sunderland, please say the name of the POI.
Stadium of Light.
Please say a line number.
2.
Please say a line number.
2.
When ready, use the voice button and then say set as destination.
Set as destination.
Setting as destination.
Voice commands are part of Sync 3 navigation, so if you are interested, ask one of the sales team to direct you to a car that has Sync 3 navigation.